Hi guys, today I'm going to show you this Christmas bracelet advent calendar for 2022. It's a 24 days of surprise countdown calendar, do-it-yourself charm beads and 2 bracelet gift set for girls, kids. So I'm going to show you what you get and how it works. So it comes nicely protected. And so we can open the doors day by day. We start of course with the number 1. We just push here inside, lift it up here a little bit, and of course at the beginning we'll find the bare bracelet here, but it's just a naked bracelet which we have to fill. But we can start already with this one. We can already wear it. That's a really good idea, of course, to start with this one here. And so let's go to day number 2 and see how this continues. And here we have the first item which we can add. So we screw off the end here. It's very easy to do. We put it over and secure it again. So it's super easy. Everybody can do that. And so you can fill this thing day by day. And so here we can see all the single items which we get day by day. On day 19 we get even an additional beautiful bracelet, very nice surprise. And on Christmas Eve that's the beautiful heart, so absolutely awesome. So there are definitely enough items for both of the bracelets. Really nice, beautiful, everything Christmas like, and it's also perfectly flexible regarding the sizing. You can see we have a lot of different options regarding the size, and the size in general even fit for adults. I mean, I've tried this as a male adult and the length is even fitting for me, but of course you can make it also much smaller if you're using the smallest opening. So absolutely awesome, would be the perfect gift for small children, especially girls, but also would fit for even your spouse or so. Yeah, this is amazing, and so I can give you full recommendation, and so you can buy it directly here from Amazon, and I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. Thanks for watching.